Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to BLACKVIEW Tab 16 Pro. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now to use it, you need to set the app by tapping on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Wherever you decided when you finished, click on your device's displays and then select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Now Receive right next to Send at the bottom of BLACKVIEW. Now going back to Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files that you wish to send. I will go with only with a couple though, just for example. Now hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers before they expire, and to connect, hit Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!